That's it. That's it.
I fall asleep by the telephone. It's 2 o'clock and I'm waiting up alone. Tell me, where have you been? I found a note with another name. You blow a kiss but it just don't feel the same. 'Cause I can feel that you're gone. I can't bite my tongue forever while you try to play it cool. You can hide behind your stories, but don't take me for a fool. You can tell me that there's nobody else. You can tell me that you're home by yourself. You can look into my eyes and pretend all you want, but I know your love is just a lie. It's nothing but a lie. You look so innocent, but the guilt in your voice gives you away. Yeah, you know what I mean. How does it feel when you kiss, when you know that I trust you? And do you think about me when he touches you? Could you be more obscene? So don't try to say you're sorry, or try to make it right. And don't waste your breath, because it's too late. It's too late.